Do you ever feel like your business communications are stuck in the past? Are you juggling multiple apps for calls, messages, and video conferences, desperately wishing for one unified solution that just works? And then the big question hits. What if that perfect solution came with a hefty price tag, or worse, what if there was no way to try it out without committing financially? That's a common dilemma for businesses of all sizes, especially those just starting out or operating on a tight budget. The world of business communications is vast and can be incredibly complex. You've got voice over IP, VoIP systems, team messaging platforms, video conferencing tools, contact center solutions. The list goes on. Each promises to revolutionize how your team connects, but the cost can often be a major hurdle. We've all been there. You hear about a fantastic service, maybe a powerful communications platform like RingCentral, and your first thought is, this sounds amazing, but can I actually afford it? Or, do they offer a free tier so I can test the waters before diving in? It's a natural question, because in today's fast-paced business environment, every penny counts. And for a communications platform, the stakes are even higher. Your ability to connect with clients, collaborate with your team, and generally keep your business running smoothly depends on it. So, let's cut to the chase and address the elephant in the room. Does RingCentral, one of the leading names in cloud communications, offer free plans? It's a question that pops up a lot, and for good reason. Businesses are always looking for ways to optimize their spending without sacrificing essential functionality. Free plans, even with limitations, can be a game changer for startups, small businesses, or even larger organizations looking to experiment with new tools before a full rollout. They provide that much-needed breathing room to assess a platform's suitability for your specific needs, without the pressure of an immediate financial commitment. Before we reveal the answer, let's quickly set the stage on what RingCentral is and what it aims to provide. RingCentral isn't just a phone system. It's a comprehensive cloud communications platform designed to unify various communication channels. Think voice calls, video meetings, team messaging, and even fax, all accessible from a single app on your desktop or mobile device. It's built to empower remote and hybrid teams, streamline workflows, and enhance overall business productivity. The promise is a seamless, integrated communication experience that eliminates the need for fragmented tools and cumbersome hardware. Now, back to the burning question. Does RingCentral have free plans? For its core unified communications platform, the answer is generally no. RingCentral's flagship product, RingEX, formerly RingCentral MVP, which combines phone, message, and video capabilities, does not have a perpetual free tier. Its pricing is structured around paid plans, typically billed per user per month, with discounts often available for annual commitments. These plans offer varying levels of features, from basic VoIP functionality to advanced analytics, call queues, and integrations. However, that doesn't mean there are no free options whatsoever when it comes to RingCentral. This is where it gets interesting, and where understanding the nuances of their offerings becomes crucial. While a full-fledged, free RingEX plan isn't on the table, RingCentral does offer a robust free trial for its main service. This is a critical point. Typically, these free trials last for about 14 to 30 days and provide access to a significant portion of the platform's features, often supporting a limited number of users, usually up to 5. This trial period is your golden opportunity to explore the VoIP calling, team messaging, video conferencing, and other core functionalities. It allows you to put RingCentral through its paces, see how it integrates with your existing workflows, and determine if it's the right fit for your business before you open your wallet. It's like a test drive for your communication system, giving you real-world experience with the platform. Beyond the free trial for its full suite of services, there's another important free aspect to consider: RingCentral Video. This is a standalone offering that specifically focuses on video conferencing and team messaging. And yes, it does come with a free plan. The free version of RingCentral Video allows for unlimited video meetings, typically with a meeting duration limit, often 50 minutes per meeting, and a participant limit, e.g., up to 100 participants. It also includes features like screen sharing, breakout rooms, AI noise cancellation, and even live transcriptions. This free video offering can be incredibly valuable for businesses or individuals who primarily need a reliable video conferencing solution and team chat without the full VoIP phone system. It's important to differentiate here. While RingCentral Video Free is a great tool for video meetings and messaging, it doesn't include a business phone number, advanced call management features, or the broader VoIP capabilities that come with the paid RingEX plans. It's a taste of RingCentral's collaborative tools, designed to get you started with their ecosystem. So, to summarize, no, RingCentral doesn't offer a permanent free plan for its comprehensive unified communications solution, RingEX. However, they provide a generous free trial for RingEX, allowing you to test out the full platform for a limited time. This is invaluable for evaluating its suitability for your business. A free tier for RingCentral Video, which offers robust video conferencing and team messaging features for no cost, albeit with some limitations on meeting duration and participants compared to its paid counterparts. When considering a paid RingCentral plan, it's also worth noting that their pricing is tiered, with plans like Core, Advanced, and Ultra, each offering progressively more features and capabilities. The cost per user typically decreases when billed annually, and you'll find various add-ons for things like additional toll-free numbers, international numbers, and specific contact center solutions. Businesses should carefully assess their needs to choose the most appropriate plan, as features like SMS limits, pooled toll-free minutes, and storage for recordings can vary significantly between tiers. For instance, the core plan might be perfect for a small business with basic VoIP needs, offering unlimited calls in the US and Canada, basic text messaging, and some essential collaboration tools. As your business grows and your communication needs become more complex, you might scale up to the advanced or ultra plans, which unlock features like call queues, call monitoring, advanced analytics, and increased storage. In conclusion, while you won't find a forever free option for a complete RingCentral business phone system, their commitment to allowing users to experience the platform is evident through their free trials. And for those primarily focused on video collaboration and team chat, the free version of RingCentral Video is a fantastic resource. Always remember to check their official website for the most up-to-date pricing and trial information, as these details can sometimes change. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.